What's going on, guys? It's your boy Aaron over from Battle Performance. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an install of a full bolt-on setup onto our K20 K20 setup that we are going to be installing into our new Knight Rider project. Those parts are going to consist of and include the following: just excited as you guys, so let's go ahead and start installing all these beautiful parts onto our engine. So for the most part, this is how it looks now with everything that we put on so far. Honestly, I think we're going to stop here because I totally forgot I have to order the IAC block off plate for the bottom of this throttle body. Secondly, I am planning on going to Westgate Performance in Mass tomorrow, and I need to take the fuel rail with me in order to get the right fittings, as well as a fuel regulator that I plan on using from Blocks Racing as well. So I don't want to put that on yet because I'm just going to have to take it off right after the video. So we're going to go ahead and pause that right here, and we are going to continue this video at another time. Thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe to watch the rest of the part of this.